If Facebook suddenly disable your profile, here are some methods that actually works. In today's video, I will show you step by step on how to recover your disabled profile account. One thing you need to understand is this: if you have monetized page, all you need to do is to add multiple people to your page. You can add your trusted friend in case if anything happens to your profile, your friends can rescue your monetized page. If you have multiple pages and violation hits one of the page, it affects your profile. And one thing Facebook does is, if you consistently violate their community guideline, time will come that they will disable your account and they might permanently delete it. And again, if you have groups attached to your profile and you allow everybody to post, some persons might also post violating content and it will also affect your profile. The more you go against Facebook community guideline, there is every tendency that your account will be disabled. And maybe your brothers, your sisters, your parents are on Facebook. You can also make them admin on your Facebook. In case anything happens, you will fall back to them. And one thing you need to do again is to create a Facebook profile, a new Facebook profile, and make yourself admin to your page. That profile, you won't be using it because if anything happens, you will fall back to that profile. So these are the two ways to rescue your Facebook. First thing first, you need to add trusted friends, family members. You need to add them to your page so that in case if anything happens, your Facebook monetized page are safe. I will tell you a short story. A few weeks ago, my account was disabled. I have been receiving strikes from Facebook and I understand that time will come that this account will be disabled. So what did I do? I created a new Facebook account. Then I added all my monetized page to the account. So I wasn't using it. So I left it. I woke up one day, I discovered that my Facebook account has been suspended. So they asked me to submit my identity. So I submit everything that required. They said what I submitted was not corresponding to what I have there. Because of that, I will be permanently disabled. So I tried reaching out to them, talk to them. They said no, that my account has been permanently disabled. And now I will show you how to reach out to Facebook if your Facebook has been disabled, so that at the end of the day, you can reach out to them, lay your complaint to them. And if your complaints are genuine, they will restore your page. Understand the fact that most of the time, Facebook AI do make mistakes and they will disable your page. And once you give them genuine reasons, they will restore your page. So let's go. Now, what you need to do is you search for Facebook Help Center. So once you get here, then you click on this Help Center. Now you type Facebook account disabled. Then you search. Now when you search, you look at what you see here. Reactivate your account, my personal profile, my personal Facebook account is suspended or disabled. Unlock your Facebook account, have limited access to my Facebook account, check your account status on Facebook, Meta Pay account disabled. So what you want here is this. Then look at it, my personal Facebook account is suspended. The time period during which you can appeal suspension of your account varies by region. We may suspend your Facebook account if we find out that the account or activities on it may not follow the community standard. You can appeal suspension within 180 days. If you don't appeal the suspension after 180 days, or if your appeal isn't successful, we will permanently disable your account. So what you need to do now is When you scroll down, you see a lot of things here which I can't read through, but you can take your time to read through. So all you need to do now, you come to this place. Was this helpful? You said no. You look at it, information is confusing, the solution doesn't work, I don't like the product or policy and other. Now, maybe you have appealed before, they didn't accept it, then you can click this. But if you have not appealed before, you can just say order, then you select. Now, this is where you will chat Facebook up. You can say, hello, Facebook team. Now, you can say my name. So you can say my name is, and depending on who you are, my name is Godwin with an email address of XYZ. You understand? Just put your profile here. So you can now only complain that my account was disabled in my account was disabled without no reason, and I am very sure I did not go against the Facebook community guideline. Please help me to rectify my page. So once you have this, all you need to do is to click here, then submit. Now when you submit it, Facebook will now see it. Remember, put the email that you use to create the account so that Facebook can reach out to you. Don't put another email, because if you put another email, you will see a message that the information you provided is not correct. So by so doing, they won't attend to you. So when you do this and they review it and see that your page did not violate Facebook community guideline, definitely they will restore your Facebook account back to you. This is how you can appeal if your Facebook is disabled. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell so that when I post new videos, you will be the first person to see it. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.